Hello everyone, it's Colette, and today we're going to be working on this Metallic Peacock Gradient. If you love nail art, be sure you subscribe to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting out with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco's Peely Base, and you can use whichever is your personal favorite. For today's manicure, we're going to be using ILNP Hi-Fi along with Blueprint and Funhouse. Once the gradient is complete, I'm going to top it off with Gold Flakie Holo Taco. But before I get started with the gradient, I'm going to protect around my nails using liquid latex. For this gradient, I decided not to use a base coat, but these all have pretty good coverage, so I'm anticipating 2 to 3 coats and we should be opaque enough. I'm going to lay them out starting with the blue in the middle, then add the other 2 colors and sponge onto my nail. I'll be removing my protection after the final layer of polish. Before I apply the topper, I'm going to do a little bit of cleanup, and because this formula can be a bit stubborn, I'm going to be using my usual small brush dipped in acetone as well as my orange stick. Once cleanup is complete, I'm going to go ahead and add the Gold Flakie. Finally, I'm going to finish everything off with a top coat, and as usual, I'm using Seche Vite. So here's the finished manicure, and I love how this turned out. I've mostly been wearing this collection on its own because the metallic finish is just so good, but I do have a couple other nail art ideas, and after how good these turned out, I really can't wait to try them. I do want to give you guys some flashlight time so that you can appreciate this finish as well as the Holo topper. And if you'd like to see the extended tutorial, that's up now over on my VODs channel. Or if you'd like to join me live for nail art, you can come follow over at twitch.tv/Colette MSLP. And if you'd like to support me here on YouTube, you can join the channel as a member for some perks like emoji. I'd love to hear what you guys think of this down in the comments. I hope you all enjoyed, and if you did, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up. And of course, as always, thanks for watching.